Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. It's me, Barry C, out on the fat bike. Today we're going to be tackling a little bit of a construction zone. This is McKeown Avenue. And I'm going to squeak by all these little stop cars. They're tearing up McKeown, widening the road. Hopefully they're going to put in a bit of a bike lane. Be nice, because usually I have to ride up on the dirt path to the right here, but they've got all kinds of pylons stacked in the middle. Here we are, coming up to about the 16th car. They're all stopped. And I get to squeak in here. So you may notice I have a picture-in-a-picture looking rear, and the main video is a cycliq 12 Sport. The rear is the Fly 6 or 6 Fly, whatever it is. I think it's the Fly 6. And as you can see, the video quality isn't too bad. Normally I record it with the GoPro, but this time around I've got the cycliq dash cams. Still using the overlays from Race Render, although the cycliq have Strava overlays that you can use, which are pretty nice, but it takes a while to load them up and edit and all that other stuff. So this time around we're just going to use the Race Render, edit on DaVinci Resolve. Gotten out of the traffic back up onto the sidewalk area. This isn't too bad to ride on McKeown. Usually it's a pretty busy road. Well, as you can see, it has its own problems. Navigating around through things, under things, over things. It's a nice little strode. Not very bicycle friendly, but at least it has this wider patch that you can ride on. Pedestrians don't feel too bad if you're riding past them on that. Although, as you can see, it starts to get narrow. And I believe at one point it just disappears, but I think that's about the end of this video. I'm just gonna... it's just going to end up around here. So thanks for tuning in. If you like this sort of content, hit the like button. Subscribe if you feel the urge. I appreciate it. And we'll all see you later. Take care, everybody.